So now, ladies and gentlemen, we shall now navigate towards a fireside chat this time around, and I'm very much looking forward to this because I have a feeling that this is going to be a great discussion, a great chit-chat. So seamless, smart, and speedy. The future of business licensing in a digital world. In today's fast-paced economy, entrepreneurs need business solutions that are instant, they're efficient, and they're hassle-free. So this particular fireside chat explores how digital innovation, AI-driven processes, entrepreneur-friendly policies, and new initiatives are revolutionizing business licensing, making it smarter, faster, and more accessible than ever before. And for that, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see on the screens also, before I call her on stage, I would like to put in a quotation, and I think that it suits her. The future is female. Of course. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the Director of Marketing, Free Zones Authority of Ajman, Ms. Neha Thomas, now on stage, please joining us for the fireside chat. Welcome.
Thank you.
Good afternoon. How are you doing today? How was the start of the day?
Hello. Yes.
Yeah, it's
Hi,
working?
Sophia. All good. Yes.
All
working.
good? So do you think that the future is female?
Definitely. What's the doubt in that?
Absolutely no doubt in that. You know, I was really looking forward to this kind of like a chit-chat as well, because I feel that we're literally just having a cup of coffee, although there's no coffee over here. We have one right after, but we'll pretend that we do. So I'll start with a basic question first up, you know, because today's event, Neha, is all about unlocking opportunities in a thriving economy, right? So from your perspective, because you're the expert here, how is the Free Zones Authority of Ajman contributing towards the UAE's economic growth?
Well, there's a lot. I mean, first of all, thank you so much for having me. Thank
Pleasure.
you, Gulf News. Yes, I know it's closer to lunchtime and everyone's feeling hungry. Everything's being set up right there. But just to, do with the final wording here. See, Ajman, we are representing the Free Zones Authority of Ajman. So we are an umbrella. So we have 3 different free zones under us, which is Ajman Free Zone, we have Ajman Media City, and we have Al Zora Free Zone. So all these different free zones have like different business activities that we can offer to the people who are coming to establish a company here. So there's different varieties out there, plus the convenience that we offer, because I believe we had already discussed with Zubair earlier we have this concept called one click.
Yes.
So
very convenient.
It's when we talk about the topic here itself is speedy. So we get everything done in one click. So this is like a mantra that goes out in the free zone. So anything we do, right from getting a cup of coffee to issuing a trade license, everything you will get it in just one click. So that's the convenience that we want. I don't think anything can be faster than that.
Yeah, at the tip of your fingers, for sure, absolutely. So I love that. But now, moving on with this conversation also, what trends are you seeing in foreign direct investment and startup growth in the UAE? And how does the Free Zones Authority of Ajman kind of align with this whole momentum?
See, we can see a lot of shift. Now, everything is technology-driven, AI, everything is AI-based, blockchain. There's a huge topic revolving around sustainability. The recent Blue Visa is also revolving around people doing really good in environmental friendly, sustainable practices. So there's a lot we offer as a free zone for these specific business activities. We offer like an ecosystem where our business clients can thrive, and we give mentorship programs. We have a lot of these smart initiatives that we do.
I love the mentorship programs.
Yeah,
part.
absolutely. That's what people want, because right now when we see people coming here in the UAE, they're confused. They don't know how to proceed next. Okay, you get a trade license as a first step, but what next? There are 10 different things that you have to do after issuing a trade license. You need to get your banking sorted, your tax and accountant sorted, your team sorted, you need a physical office space, or if it's virtual, so how do you go about it? So there are 10 million questions coming to you. So you just have to, make sure that we have a team that handholds every client with their respective needs and make sure that the whole transition, even if they're coming from anywhere from any part of the world, it's seamless. They have the right information so that they can get started, and wherever they get stuck, yes, we as a free zone will be there to assist them at every stage of their entrepreneurial journey.
Absolutely, I love that. And this is something I think that we were discussing earlier on as well. And I think everyone is more or less on the same page over here, that, you kind of think about it, you make a plan, but then you come here, you're like, okay, where do I go next? Exactly. What do I do? There is no plan over here. Forget about the execution part. So I think that's where you guys come in as well. So now let's talk a bit about the speed. Okay, since we need to be a bit speedy specific. So coming to the topic of seamless, like you mentioned, smart and speedy, usually business setup is often seen as a little complicated, a little tricky, a little difficult, and full of paperwork, which a lot of people really get a little tired from. But I feel that UAE is now changing, and it's changing fast. So if you had to describe the future of business licensing in 3 words, which 3 words would you use? I feel I'm on a radio show right now. Go.
Is it like a rapid fire?
Right, like a rapid fire podcast happening over here.
See, our topic itself says the 3 words. It's seamless, it's swift, it is smart. But again, as I said, there's one more word I really want to put into that. It's one click. It's very important. Why? Because right from the customer journey, so right from a person, if they land on our website, you can get a form there that tells you that you will get a call back. If you want to make an inquiry, you'll get a call back in 30 seconds. Well, literally, you get a call back within, say, less than 10 seconds. That's the case. So we just want to make sure, everything is fast. Because if not, there are, 53 different other free zones and corporate service providers out there. Unless and until you don't offer a seamless experience to your clients, why would they even come to you?
Absolutely, because you have a lot of competition out there, exactly. A lot of options.
And it's actually good because the more you improve, the more your competition improves. So it's ultimately giving the best experience for your clients. So if they do something better, well, we want to do something better.
Absolutely, and I think that the benefit that's getting, I think people are getting the benefit of it, right? So you talked a bit about, as simple as getting coffee. And we talked a bit about the one-click, kind of like the business license. And it's kind of set up in minutes. But I really want you to kind of make me go through the entire process. How is it like?
So when you say one click, it's actually one click. So you have a page. If the business setup is simple and you have your passport and your business name in hand, you can literally, by the time your coffee gets cold, you can get your trade license issued. It's that fast. So unless there's no much complications in your, like they mentioned, your KYC procedures, the compliance check, all of this will be done within like 10, 15 minutes in the back end, but you just have to upload your basic details, your business name, as long as it's available, you're good to go.
Okay, fantastic. I think carrying on with the legacy of the rapid fire round and the fact that we almost have like a podcast set up over here with a fireside chat, I have a fun question for you. Okay, so think about this and answer. What's like the most weird or the most, I would say, unexpected place that you've seen someone apply for a business license? For example, the grocery store, the beach, or the plane, or something of the sort.
Right. Okay. Maybe I have something better. Okay. Actually, you can apply your trade license from anywhere across the world. But we had cases. I had a client who actually set up a business while he was ordering his fuel from Carrefour.
Okay, I like that.
While he was waiting for his Carrefour truck to arrive. So during the moment of fueling his car, he fueled his business dreams. I would say that.
Yeah, so he added fuel to the fire in a very good way.
Yes, a good way. Yes, definitely. So it's purely, everything is digitized. Mm-hmm. You can do everything online. So there's not much, it's not like early days, there's tons of paperwork and it takes weeks to process, some sort of documents. But right now, everything is as fast as a click of a button.
Absolutely, and we love that. Now, coming back to what we kind of started to talk about initially, let's talk a bit about the Free Zones Authority of Ajman making business setup more accessible.
Mm-hmm. All right, so when you hear of Ajman, people normally have this conception, like, they perceive it to be quite far. I know it's the smallest emirate in the UAE, but trust me, I live in Dubai. It takes me the same time to drive from Dubai to Ajman to drive from my place to downtown.
Neha, I lived there for about a month and a half when I was settling here.
Okay.
I had this beautiful couple from Mumbai, and I was living with them for about a month and a half. It was beautiful.
Yeah, we call Ajman as His Excellency loves to call Ajman, as a boutique city, which it is. It is beautiful, it is small, it is very niche, I would say. It has a legacy to it. As you know, Ajman is the second oldest free zone in the UAE. So we have a whole legacy brand that we uphold. So we have our warehouses, we have our facilities. Clearly how His Excellency Jamal Kate also mentioned, it's a state-of-the-art facility you have there. It's like entering a 5-star facility. So it's that beautiful. It's
we
not
like the
just
sound
the
of that.
free zone. Please, by all means, do come and visit us. And there are a lot of hidden gems also. So I'll come to that later. So when we talk about Ajman from a business perspective, as I said, there are a lot of options. We offer more than 3,500 business activities. We have 3 different free zones under the Free Zones Authority of Ajman. So if you're media-centric, you can opt for Ajman Media City, Ajman Free Zone for trading, e-commerce, everything. So and we have a new free zone that we are setting up, which is Al Zora. Again, that's a hidden gem. Again, Al Zora as a space. It is a beautiful, I don't think most of you must have, even I didn't know about Al Zora. In fact, there's a episode.
It was a hidden gem though, so there's a reason why it was.
It is. I think if you haven't planned for a staycation anytime soon, please go and visit Al Zora. It has those mangrove spaces, golf courses. In fact, I'm not sure how many of you watch Dubai Bling here. So there's a Dubai Bling.
Come on, we need more hands up. Almost everybody here at least knows about Dubai Bling,
Exactly.
right?
So there was one complete episode in that where the whole crew went to Al Zora for a retreat.
Correct.
So it kind of shows the beauty of that place. So it's only after that I was like, okay, there are such beautiful places, and I had to go and visit. Trust me, it's beautiful. So this is one of something that people don't know about Ajman, and there's a lot that you can explore there, even in terms of shopping. Again, China Mall comes under the Free Zone Authority of Ajman. So we have a lot of shopping retail that can be done over there. Warehouses, everything at half the price that what we get in Dubai. So I think you should all go to Ajman, explore the place, and always please feel free to come to the Free Zones Authority of Ajman. We'll be more than happy to welcome all of you there.
That's lovely. I'd like to add another point over here, because I was mentioning something about Ajman. I also feel it's a very family-oriented place. So you see a lot of families over there, kids enjoying themselves, and a lot of things for them to do also.
There is. There are a lot of activities there for kids, for families. So it's an all-in-all solution for your business, for families, for lifestyle, everything. And still, if you complain that Ajman is still too far, now this is making business more accessible, right? Or not making business, making Ajman Free Zone more accessible. Next week, we are exclusive again.
Of course.
We are launching
Gulf News exclusive.
We are launching our new kiosk at the Dubai World Trade Center. So all of you are, again, most welcome to come and visit us there next week. Dates and information will be sent out soon.
That sounds lovely, Neha. Thank you. So now let's come to the other question that I have. So the UAE is home to some of the most, say, dynamic kind of business hubs, right? Each catering to different industries and investor needs as well. So for example, I'm an entrepreneur and I'm kind of looking to set up in Ajman. How do I get the one-size-fits-it-all solution, or do I have kind of options depending on my business type?
Absolutely. So every business is unique. You can't have a one solution fits all strategy for everything. So you might come with, you're from the media background, so you want to set up a media company. Well, another person wants to set up a general trading company. So every business is unique in its own perspective. The requirements are different. You might have just one shareholder, the other person might have 2, 3 shareholders. Maybe you require no visas, the other person requires 2 different visas or whatever, depending on the nationality, everything. So every business, we see it as a separate case study, and we give solutions that best fit those requirements. So it's not like, okay, here's our fixed package and here you go, this is it. No, we educate our clients in a way that they feel valued and they feel understood. So that's what it's a huge task. I mean, it's a big decision. Yes. Starting a business. So unless and until you're not comfortable with the person that you're talking to, they wouldn't, proceed with you. So that's why we just want to make sure that it's customized and give you the right advice. So in future, if you want to scale your business, it makes total sense.
Absolutely. I feel that relationships are extremely important when it comes to that. My team is also sitting over here, and I'll tell you one thing. It's a little silly, but it has a very important point. I promise you that. So for example, if you're shopping somewhere and you have the sales team, they're not giving you any importance. Even though the product is really good, sometimes you won't buy it because you don't get that kind of customer satisfaction. But at the same time, if you go to a store, and if the product is okay, it's average, it's not too bad, right? Value for money in a way somehow. But if the sales team is really good, you're sold.
So it's all about the team and the relationship that you maintain with your clients. And that's why it's very important, even for us, to build a community that we are strongly focusing on right now. So it's building that community where our clients are entertained, they can cross-sell, upsell. We give them the platform to showcase their products and services. So we're planning something for this weekend if the weather goes well. Again, we're not sure because
keeping our fingers crossed.
Exactly.
Though.
So we have a very wonderful program arranged for our clients. Again, it's just bringing the community together and spending time. So it makes them feel also heard and valued.
Exactly. I completely agree. So we'll come to the last few questions also. So if you fast forward to 2035, what does business licensing look like in that time? I mean, would AI be running it? Will we have kind of like a thought-powered licensing where you think of a business instantly and it's registered?
When you think of it, you don't even have to click, you just have to think. You never know, because again, see, technology is advancing rapidly these days. Even today, I mean, if you can get a license in one click now, just imagine in 10 years down the line. I mean, again, Elon Musk, you never know. He has a brain chip already introduced, and then now I'm sure China would replicate something at 1/10 of the price where the whole world can access it.
But of course.
You never know. And then by the thought of it, you never know. You just have to think and it's done. So let's hope for the best. We'll see.
Absolutely. Let's do that. So what's that one message that you want every aspiring entrepreneur or investor to take away from today in particularly?
See, setting up a business is actually not that scary. I would say, if you have a brilliant idea, you don't even have to have a brilliant idea. If you have an idea, and if you believe in that idea, just go for it. That's it. Just go for it.
All right, as simple as that.
As simple as that. In fact, one more thing, we're running this business pitch competition with Big 106.2 FM. So it's still going on. So if you still have a business idea, which you feel is worth it and you believe in it, you can pitch it to them, and we are offering a free trade license to one winner who we find the business idea is good enough.
I think that's an offer you don't want to refuse. Absolutely. So last but certainly not the least, Neha, the last question we have for you is that for investors, for entrepreneurs, for businesses watching today, why should they choose Free Zones Authority of Ajman as the gateway to the UAE, apart from the last point that you mentioned?
No, see, we have a solution for everything. So if you come to us with your business idea, our team is brilliant. We have an excellent tech behind our solutions. So everything is digitized. We have an excellent customer service department. Our products are, we have a legacy brand. So all in all, it's like a no-brainer. You can trust us in full essence to go ahead with your business, or it's in safe hands. That's what I can say. Absolutely. I think rest assured we are definitely in safe hands. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause to the Director of Marketing, Free Zones Authority of Ajman, Neha Thomas. And as I mentioned before also, the future is female. Females. Absolutely. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you.